Hi everybody and welcome to How to Sing Harmonies. It's so great to have you in this course. You may be looking at this because you've done some of my other vocal courses. Feel free to check them out if you haven't, but it's not necessary for you to have done the other courses to learn this course. So if you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome again. I feel so privileged that you continue to keep coming back. Let's talk about what I'm going to cover in this course and then how to actually do the course. So let's start with what I'm going to include in the modules. In the first module, it's back to basics. I'm going to give you my 11 top tips for a tight harmony sound, some really basic tips. And then in the next module, the perfect voice vocal tips. We are going to go through vocal tips for blending and creating great tone, which is really important when you're learning to sing with a group of singers, even if you're just singing with one other person. Vocal blending is really important. So I'm going to give you some tips around that and some exercises that you can try for yourself. Then the next module is the vocal eye, visual tips. How do you read sheet music when you can't read sheet music, when you don't read music? Also how to visualize, map out and draw your harmonies so that you are a boss at remembering how vocal parts go. Then the next module is the vocal ear, oral training. So tips to train your ear, how to hear certain parts, but also the intervals and how you can actually learn parts without even knowing what the part is. So you can actually create your own harmonies with some of these interval training exercises. I'll give you some simple scales to help you with that. And then finally, the final module is just some apps and some games that you can use to continue learning. Now, I am going to be continually adding to this course. So anytime you have any ideas or something doesn't work or you're not understanding something or something comes up that I haven't covered here, I want you to get in touch with me because I am here to help you and I will create more videos. I do this with all my courses. So I will be building on this course. So it may seem like you've only got a few simple tips here, even though there's actually quite a lot, but I'm going to continue to be adding to it as you learn and as you grow. Now, the way to go through these modules, it would be good with this particular course if you go from start to finish. I think that it will make a lot more sense, and in particular with the oral training, the vocal ear module, you will need to do those lectures in succession. So start at lecture number 1 and go right through because they get harder as you go along. So I want you to really grasp the concept. So go from beginning to end in that module. And then we also have a private Facebook group, How to Sing with Roma Waterman. I will put the link in this course. We'd love you to join us because there's a couple of challenges in this course, and if you want to do extra work, if you want to actually not just get information but try some things out, I've got a whole bunch of ideas for you in this course and you can post them in the Facebook group. We have lots of people posting themselves performing in these courses or giving us some of their little performances or harmony ideas in the Facebook group, and you're so welcome to do that as well. This is about building a community, having a support group of people that can help you on your journey. So it's not just here's some information, bye-bye. We're here to help you, and so don't feel like you can't get in touch or ask for some more videos or more training as we go along. You're going to have so much fun. I've really enjoyed putting this course together. Let's get into learning to sing harmonies. You ready? Here we go.